What's up, guys? Welcome to my new channel called Knuckle Busted, where kind of the focus is going to be mainly doing DIY stuff on cars. Help you guys get through stuff, problems that crop up on your vehicles, mainly Chevy vehicles, like the GMT 800 series, you know, your Tahoes, Yukons, Escalades, even Silverados, that kind of thing. Doing DIY repairs, mods, that kind of thing. We might venture out of the garage every now and then when I have a project. I've also got a restoration vehicle that I'll showcase in another video. But my first build, and my main one, is going to be on my daily driver, which is my 2004 Tahoe LT. It's four-wheel drive. It's got like 180,000 miles on it. We bought it a couple years ago off of actually my sister-in-law's mother for like $2,000, and it's a really clean vehicle. Then it's still really clean. We did have to replace. I did have to replace the driver's side wheel bearing hub assembly. So I think that was about $1,200 that we initially had to sink in. But other than that, the only things that I've had to repair on it that were cosmetic, really. I mean, I had the bottom seat for the driver's seat reupholstered. I had to redo the headliner because it was coming down here in the front. Other than that, I mean, she's clean. She's a little dirty right now, so she's not really clean, but you know what I mean. So a couple things that I have done already to it. I replaced the stock rims with these. I believe these came off like an 07 Silverado. I think they're 18 inches. Stock on this was 17. I have replaced the front headlights. The old ones were getting pretty foggy. I still got to hook up the light bars, the LED bars on these. I haven't done that yet. A couple of this stuff, some of this, so that's everything that I've done that you won't see a video on. Stuff that I have done that you'll see a video on, that I have recorded, is I replaced the oil pressure sensor switch because that was not reading in the cluster, and I've actually redone the cluster, which I'm gonna have to mess with it again, but I put new backlighting in, changed the faceplate on it, some of that stuff, and that's pretty much it. And I'll show you some stuff here inside that I've got for it. I replaced the third brake light because that actually went out. I've got plans to replace the tail lights. Don't know when I'll do that though. That's a pretty easy plug and play thing. So let's go inside the garage here and I'll show you what else I've got. I got lots of stuff planned for this, just kind of some upgrades and whatnot. One of the first things that I want to do is, let me find it, is I'm going to add a wireless charging pad that goes over the center console. I bought this from Boost Auto Parts. Actually got the idea from another car guy that makes videos on here. He was actually kind of my inspiration for starting to do this. I figured I'm going to do a lot of this myself anyways, and I might as well as record it and try to help some more people. I've got new vanity lighting for inside, and the puddle lights outside the vehicle to do. I've got new emblems to put on outside, and I'm actually going to convert this Tahoe from an LT, and I'm going to make it into a Z71. It doesn't have the locking, the differential locker, so I'm probably going to upgrade it either to the GW80, I think is the code or part number, or I'll just buy a selectable aftermarket rocker. So I got those emblems, I got lights, I think that's it. And including to the emblems, I've got new wheel hub centers. That's kind of the immediate plans for it that I've got. After that, probably do something like I want to take out the clutch fan, go to electric fans, add a bigger transmission cooler. Other vehicles that I got that you'll probably see on this video is I've got a 2016 Yukon XL Denali. I've done a couple of stuff on that. I've got my wife's 2018 Nissan Rogue, which we'll probably be upgrading her soon. So I don't know if that'll actually, you'll see any action of that on this channel. The other thing that I've got that I'll just showcase real quick here is I've got a 1966 El Camino. I'm working on restoring. I'll make another video on that separately, but that's going to be the fun one, in my opinion. One that I've been looking forward to for a real long time. Yeah, so if that's something you guys might be interested in, give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell, so you can get notifications on when new videos drop, and hopefully I can be a little bit of help for you, where I'm busting my knuckles so that you maybe don't have to. Catch you later.